My grandmother and I are having dinner. The lasagna in this pan is cut in half, so these two halves are equal. One for me, one for Nana. 1/2 plus 1/2 makes a whole. The lasagna in this pan shows another way to cut it in half. This half and this half are the same size, and together they make a whole. Both of these lasagnas are cut in half, so the half from this lasagna is the same as the half of this lasagna, because they are both halves. Now it's time for dessert. This Jell-O is cut into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourths. This Jell-O is also cut into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fourths make up a whole. Yum!
This is a fraction. The top number is the numerator. It shows how many fraction pieces you have. The bottom number is the denominator. It shows how many fraction pieces your whole is broken into. This fraction is 1/2, which is 1/2. It represents half of the lasagna. Both are divided into halves. This fraction is 1/4, which is 1/4. It represents 1/4 of the Jell-O. Both are divided into fourths. Tap 1/2 of the circle. You tapped 1/2. Tap 2 halves of the circle. You tapped 2 halves. That equals a whole circle. Tap 2 quarters of the circle. Another word for a fourth is a quarter. You tapped 2 quarters. That's the same as 1/2. Tap 3 quarters of the circle. You tapped 3 quarters. Sort the half and quarter circles into their matching baskets. You did it! You sorted them! Draw one line on the toy box to make 2 equal halves. Now draw 2 lines on the toy box to make 4 equal quarters. Fractions are so fun! Thanks for playing with me!